This is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this device. So in the beginning, let's review probably the most anticipated camera change that the new lineup of Pixel got. That is the Add Me feature, and it allows you to, take a group photo without having to ask other people to do that. You can just take two photos, one with yourself, one with some people in the frame and the second one with yourself, and the Pixel will automatically compile those two images into one, and this way you can conveniently take a group photo. It is pretty simple, just follow the instructions you'll see on the screen. So let's say I'll go like that, then it says that leave space for yourself, take the first photo, do that, take the first photo. Now give your phone to another, someone from your friend group or one of your relatives, and then just follow or proceed to the frame, take the place you have previously reserved for yourself, and then simply take a second image. Make sure to stay within scanned area. It may be tricky sometimes to, do that, but I guess if you will have actual people to take pictures of, it will work better, since I do not unfortunately have good reference point here. Anyway, just take a second photo, it will be compiled into one and you'll find it in your gallery. Now if you are in the regular photo mode and we'll go into settings, you can see that inside the Pro section of photo settings you can switch between 12 megapixels and 50 megapixels resolution. Let me go ahead and take two photos, one in the regular photo mode with the 12 megapixels and the second one using the 50 megapixels lens. Now we'll go ahead and compare the two. So this is the photo we took with the regular 12 megapixel lens. That's the level of details that it retains. You can see it yourself, and that's how far I can zoom in. And when it comes to the second photo, I can zoom in way further, and the quality of details is, as you can clearly see, much higher. Fortunately, this blur does not allow me to fully check all the details, but even by this little artificial plant, you can already tell that, the quality is supreme. If we will actually check the photo details, you will see where the difference lays. The difference lays in the resolution, since the regular photo mode shoots photos in 3x4K definition, and when it comes to the 50 megapixel lens, it is going to provide you with 6K/8K, so more space for the pixels to be put to. And that's why the quality of details and the level of details is way higher in the high res mode. Now, if we'll go into the camera settings, into more settings to be exact, you can also find a bunch of useful options. For example, the palm timer, the additional shooting mode you can switch on, and the way it works, once it is enabled, once your device is switched to selfie camera, you can just show palm to your camera. It is going to be recognized, and the camera should start like a 3-second timer and automatically capture a picture. It does not work perfectly. Sometimes it takes some adjustments for it to actually properly recognize your palm and that you're showing your palm to the frame. I haven't quite gotten a grasp of this shooting mode, to be perfectly honest with you, but believe me, it should work. Maybe let's go ahead and toggle it on and off. Maybe this will help somehow. So it says to keep a distance. I think I'm keeping a pretty good distance, to be honest, but for some reason my palm is not recognized still. Anyway, it should work, just trust me. Now let's see what else we got here. So the obvious grid lines that all savvy phone camera enthusiasts should have to frame and build their frame properly, should I say. Here you can disable the grid, make it mesh 3x3, 4x4, or enable the golden ratio grid. That depends on the goals you are looking to achieve. And here, what else interesting we can do here? For example, we can change the volume buttons and camera action between shutter, zoom, volume, or no action or off. Right now it is set to work as a shutter button, both of the volume keys, but I think zoom is the most convenient usage for them. So now once this option is enabled, you can press the volume up key to zoom in or volume down to, well, zoom out respectively. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be everything I wanted to show today. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.